Hi there, welcome back to another video. If you want to start your morning in a really rejuvenated way, then this yoga flow is for you. All you need is a yoga mat, yourself, and a will to practice with me. So let's get started. First, sit at the center of your yoga mat in any comfortable position while keeping the spine straight, shoulder blades down and very comfortable while having a relaxed form of your sitting posture. And if possible, try to close your eyes and breathe. And make sure you breathe comfortably, not slow. But try to focus on longer exhalation. Breathe up to 5 rounds. And once you feel comfortable, rub your palms and open your eyes gently to start the practice. First, foremost, spread both the legs right in front of the body while keeping the toes active, flexed towards you. Now change the sides while keeping them flexed towards you or away from you. Take hands over your head and bring it down to the floor. Do it again, bring it, inhale over the head, exhale down. Inhale, hands goes up, exhale down, keep the legs active and stretch towards yourself. And then make a feast and try to make a big circles on the sides of the feet. Do it 5 times clockwise and 5 times anti-clockwise. Breathe very carefully. Try to make big circles as big as possible and then relax. Now fold your right knee and then practice some hip rotations on the sides. Do it very mindfully with the support while keeping the palms on the floor. And breathe comfortably. And now change your side, bend your left knee and do the same from the left hip. With inhale, you bring the knee down to the floor and with exhale, you bring it up. Inhale, do it again. Exhale back to the center. Inhale down. Exhale to the center and spread them wide open. Keep your legs together right in front of the body and consider like an arbitrary rope and try to stretch your shoulder and arms and the whole upper body while keeping the toes flexed and pointed. With inhale, you bring your hands up and with exhale down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Do it a couple of times, maybe 10 times from each side. And then relax. Now with control, fold both the legs and get into a malasana. Use block or bolsters for your hip support if this makes you feel uncomfortable. Try to hold the malasana for some time while keeping the legs and knees erect, keeping the chest open, hands in the Namaste Mudra at the heart center to align your inner thighs and the knees. Breathe. And from here, place both the palms right beneath both the feet. Make it count with a good stretch. If required, you can close your eyes. Now stretch one hand at a time over the head while keeping the other over the toe. Change your side, left to the right toe and right hand goes away from the ear while looking at the ceiling. Back to the center, again hands back at the heart center. Hands below the feet And try to do some deep lowered squats while keeping the hands under the feet will make your hamstrings really work. Breathe mindfully, and with every exhalation, you come up. Inhale, you sit down, and with exhale, you come up. Inhale down. Try to find the best range of motion for yourself. Practice 5 rounds. Back to the center. And from here, bend your knees, grab your elbows with the knees, and try to support your shin bone and get into ragdoll while interlocking both the elbow and palms by other sides. Rag it to both sides and breathe comfortably. Go to right, back to center, and then extend both the legs at the back and hold the plank. Now lower down your both the knees. Hands stay straight and get into Ashtanga Namaskarasana. With inhale, come up to back bend, and with exhale, get back to Adho Mukha Shavasana. Hold it there for 2 breaths. And now with inhale, bring the right foot next to the right palm. Lower the left knee. If you are comfortable, bring the left knee up while keeping the left toe really engaged. Hands over the waist or at the thighs and look at the ceiling or at the neck of the side of the shoulder. Hands goes back to the center. Stretch it sideways. Do it one more time. And drop the leg and right feet go back. Now bring the left foot next to the left palm. Lift the right knee. Left hand over the left side of the waist. Look at the ceiling from the side or at the shoulder. Bring it down. Now do it one more time. And exhale, release. Bring the right knee down. Take the left leg back. Breathe over here for some round. And with inhale, take the right leg in the pigeon pose while extending the left feet at the back. Breathe over here in the pigeon pose. Use any block or any support to lower down your hips if needed. Tuck the left toe and now change the side to the left side of the hip. Try to align your left toe really nice. Extend the right foot at the back. Breathe over here. And gently lift up and back to the figure 4 and go back. Lower down your hips. Breathe over here and practice some forward folds while keeping the legs intact over there and palms at the same place. Try to practice these assisted push-ups where you do not go lowered while bring the hip back in between the heels. Breathe completely. And with exhale, you come back. With inhale, you go ahead. And with exhale, you Come back, and this time you lower down your hips and relax in child's pose. Breathe over here and gently sit up straight. Now, gradually lie down on your back over the yoga mat. While keeping the lower back intact over the mat, extend the right foot up while folding the left leg. Try to lower down the right leg down, but do not touch the floor. Have a hands over your waist for a better support. Try to do it with the breath awareness. When you inhale, you bring the leg up, and with exhale, you lower it down. Inhale, exhale to the other side. Inhale, exhale, inhale, hold it this time. And with exhale, bring it down. Hold it and bring it back to the center. This time, extend both the legs together. Try to support your back of the thighs and hold it for a while. Bring the hands down. If you can, hold the stance without the support. Now bend your knees, hug the knees without straining your neck, and extend both the legs to the side. Keep the legs wide open on the sides of the yoga mat. Hands also goes at the navel, on top of the belly, or over to the sides, whatever makes you more comfortable. Allow yourself to rest and feel rejuvenated for the rest of the day. Make a conscious effort to breathe nicely. Not slow, not fast, but at your usual pace, while focusing on the exhalations more. As you inhale through the nose to the chest and finally to the belly, and exhale from belly to chest and to nose. Inhale and exhale from belly. Inhale and exhale longer. Inhale, lift your belly up. And exhale, take out all the breath from your belly. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Let yourself feel the complete relaxation and prepare yourself for facing the rest of the day. Let your body feel relaxed completely. Let your body feel calm, focused, and centered with every exhalation. Breathe nicely. And once you feel ready, you can extend and stretch your body in a line over the yoga mat. Fold your leg and switch to the side and sit up with support very comfortably. Take a moment to breathe here. And before you start your day, tell yourself it's going to be an amazing day. And you choose to show up for yourself for your good health. And whenever you feel ready, you can start your day on a positive attitude. It's going to be a good day. Now, rub your palms, gather the energy over the face, and look in between the palms. I hope you had a great practice with me. If you have enjoyed anything about the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, keep practicing. Bye bye.